Hi everyone, and welcome to the Analyst. I'm Soliman, professional business analyst instructor. Today we're going to be talking about two of the most popular AI language models on the market, Bard and ChatGPT. We'll be comparing the two models and discussing their strengths and weaknesses. We'll also be talking about what it means to be a chat AI model and how Bard and ChatGPT compare to other chat AIs. Major differences between Bard and ChatGPT. One of the biggest differences between Bard and ChatGPT is their training data. Bard is trained on a massive dataset of text and code, including real-time information from the internet. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is trained on a dataset of text that ends in September 2021. This means that Bard is better at providing up-to-date information and answering questions about recent events. Another difference between the two models is their architecture. Bard is based on Google's Palm 2 language model, while ChatGPT is based on OpenAI's GPT-4 language model. Palm 2 is known for its ability to generate creative text formats and answer open-ended questions, while GPT-4 is known for its ability to generate text that is similar to human-written text. Strengths and weaknesses of Bard and ChatGPT. Bard's strengths include its ability to provide up-to-date information, answer open-ended questions, and generate creative text formats. ChatGPT's strengths include its ability to generate text that is similar to human-written text and its ability to summarize and process text. However, both models have their weaknesses. Bard can sometimes generate text that is factually incorrect, and ChatGPT can sometimes generate text that is repetitive or unoriginal. What does it mean to be a chat AI model? A chat AI model is a type of artificial intelligence that is designed to carry on conversations with humans. Chat AI models are able to understand and respond to human language, and they can be used for a variety of purposes, such as customer service, education, and entertainment. How Bard and ChatGPT compare to other chat AIs. Bard and ChatGPT are two of the most advanced chat AI models on the market. However, there are other chat AI models that are also worth considering. For example, LaMDA is a chat AI model from Google that is known for its ability to generate creative and engaging conversations. VinChat is a chat AI model from Microsoft that is known for its ability to answer questions in a comprehensive and informative way. Conclusion: so, which chat AI model is better? Bard and ChatGPT are both excellent chat AI models, and they both have their own strengths and weaknesses. The best chat AI model for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences.